Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete Mailchimp contacts, including archived ones. This is useful when you need to clean up your contact list and remove outdated or unwanted contacts permanently from your account. First, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp.com. Once you're there, log into your Mailchimp account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account if you manage multiple ones. After logging in, look at the left side menu and click on the option named Audience. This will expand a menu showing various audience management options. From this expanded menu, select Audience Dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all your contacts and viewing important audience metrics. Once you're on the Audience Dashboard, direct your attention to the top right part of your screen. You'll find a button named View Contacts. Click on it to access your full contact list. This will display all the contacts you have registered in your Mailchimp account, making it easy to manage them individually or in bulk. Now you'll see your complete list of contacts. To select a contact you want to delete or archive, simply click the checkbox on the left side next to their name. You can select multiple contacts at once if needed by checking multiple boxes. If you want to archive the contact, look at the top side options where you'll see the Archive button. Archiving is useful when you want to temporarily remove contacts from your active list without deleting them permanently. Click the Archive button to move the selected contact to your archived list. However, if you want to permanently delete the contact from your Mailchimp account, click on the three vertical dot icon or the More Options button. This will reveal additional actions you can perform. From this menu, you'll see an option named Delete. Click on it to remove this contact completely from your account. Keep in mind that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to both archive and delete contacts in Mailchimp, giving you full control over your contact list management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.